JMW Consultants, and our customers we work a lot with the C-suite of large organizations, Fortune 500s, Fortune 100s. We'll work with the people in the organization, and people will hire us when they are looking to produce a breakthrough in whether it's a performance breakthrough or just operate at a level that hasn't been possible. And we have a unique set of practices and methodologies and distinctions that we bring inside the client system to really help them help themselves. We're not a typical consulting agency. We don't camp out at the firms and stay forever. We enable the people in the firms to be able to take what we offer and implement that system-wide. So often we'll start at the top and then work with the teams to get that implemented throughout the entire organization. Along with our consulting practice, we do leadership development training. And we've been doing this for 30 years. And the people that have participated with us in any way with our leadership development, it makes a profound impact on their lives. And it really creates an alumni. We're a global organization, so we have people all over the globe that have been affected by JMW. The relationships they had with the consultant they're working with, they might say, did you know that so-and-so is, and they would make that connection. It would happen sporadically, but not planned, where they would realize that, oh, you know JMW, yes, oh, I was in, so it was always a really great thing when it happened, but there wasn't any way for us to support it, besides the traditional email marketing, getting everybody, but that wasn't connecting them together, that was just keeping them connected to us. And they actually came to us and said, we'd like to talk to others who have been through this sort of education, this training, because it's not just for business. It really does impact their whole life, their personal life. I mean, some of the greatest stories are people who come back to us and tell us what an impact it made on them as a husband, on them as a mother, as a father. And so it's a unique relationship we have with our clients. And it just seemed natural to find a way to get them together so they could connect with us and we could continue to have that relationship with them, but so they could also connect to each other. I think that's the biggest benefit, and that's why communities made so much sense. I think the feedback and the rich discussions that are happening, it's adding value to that program. I think it's responsive to the marketplace today. I think it puts us in a position to be fairly progressive, especially with our courses that we have blended learning. That there's not only the live delivery of the session, there's also going to be the discussions and the rich conversation and the serving of content in between sessions. So I think that's probably one of the biggest things about it. But I think the potential, the upside is huge. It's huge, and we know that. Our executive team at our company knows that. We're really excited about it. We're really at the beginning of it. What we loved about Socious was that it was customizable. There are a lot of community software platforms that are on the market. A lot of them, you can't do much with what's there. You're stuck with the feature set. You're stuck with the functionality. With Socious, we know we needed to do something different because we wanted to use it across a variety of ways. One way was a traditional community, just gathering a group of people and putting them together in a community and then communicating with them and giving them discussion forums and sharing content with them and promoting their interactivity with each other. But then we also have our education programs and we serve content to all during those programs. These programs can last 9 months, and in those programs a community gets created. These people get close. They go through a lot together. So why not have a community for them, an online community, so they can stay not only a service, as a way to distribute the content of the program, but keep them connected to each other and to the leaders of the program between the sessions. There might be 2 months between sessions, but then forever. And we tell them at the start of the program that this platform is available for them, and as long as they're JMW, they'll have access to this site. So they'll have access to all the course content, the people, all the discussions that happen throughout the, maybe it's a 9-month or 6-month program. So, and that's been it's been a big win for us. A huge value add to an already, excellent program, but it's just been the icing on the cake for the participants. with the client communities where there's not a course that's anchoring kind of the interactions. We call this group the Champions for the Extraordinary, and it's our best clients, the ones we have the strongest relationship with, the ones that will refer us in an instant, the ones that have taken us from, CEO position to, from company to company, it's a unique group, and this is so we're fostering them actually communicating with each other. It's something that they said they would like to do. Talk to other CEOs, talk to other executives, other board members, and share the challenges. And these are not people that participate on Facebook or other social media. So this is for most of them, this is a new, different experience for them. But it's private, which is great. We have, it's a private community. That's something that was critical about the software that we needed to have. They think it's a great thing, and they see it as a real. It's like I would go so far to say it's like a gift that we're giving them, the opportunity to connect. And that interaction never would have taken place unless we had this, community platform for them to actually connect. So that's been one exciting story that's come out of it, because what they're doing is making a big difference in the world. I mean, it's going to have a global impact in terms of where they're going. It's the kind of people these people are. They make a difference.